Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about another AI tool hack, that's Algor Education. So Algor is a great tool that helps you to create concept maps, flashcards, summaries from your PDFs, textbook pages, audios, videos with Algor's artificial intelligence algorithms. So let's see how to do it.
Type Algor Education. Click on the first link. You can sign up by filling in your details for first time usage. Click here, try Algor's AI for free. You can log in with your Google account. Click sign up. Now this kind of screen will appear. Now here you have many options. Either you can create the concept map from scratch by clicking over here, or you can create it from any text, or you can create it from any photo, or you can create it from any file, and you also have the option of generating ideas by clicking over here. So let's generate concept map by selecting this from photo. Now you can load the photos from your device over here by clicking over here, or you can also scan the code below with your phone and take pictures of your book pages, and subsequently you can follow the instructions. So let's say if I select this load photos from your device. Now it will take few seconds in order to scan the image. Click on proceed. Now it will take few seconds to build the card. Now you can see it has generated the concept map of the topic that you have selected. You can edit this concept map by clicking over this edit option over here. If you scroll down, you will also find the summary of the text that you have given. If you scroll down further, you will see the flashcards. And at the end, you will find some questions and answers. If you click on this drop down arrow over here, you will find the question and the answer to it. Now it also provides you the option to generate quizzes from your data. So you can click on this create quiz option. You can fill in the requirements over here and then click on start quiz, and Algor will generate the quiz from the data that you have given. So the quiz is ready to view and you can answer the questions. You can also print it by clicking over here. So this is how you can use Algor Education and enhance your efficiency. If you like this video, then do like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.